Hello and welcome back to 108 Contemporary's Embroidery Craft Kit series. In this video, you're going to learn how to tie off your thread. Once you're done with the color that you're working on and you're ready to move on, or if you ran out of thread while working on this section and you just need to refill your needle, you're going to want to turn over to the back. Always end with your needle coming through the back. Flip it over. You'll always want to make sure you have at least about 6 inches of thread left over. So don't sew too far and then you don't have enough to make a knot. So you're going to cut off at about 6 inches, discard the leftover thread on the needle, set your needle down, and then you're going to separate the two so that you can just tie a basic knot. And there you have it. Cut off extra very closely, discard that. You're ready to thread your needle and start on the next color.